back to another video. Today, I'm here with my bro, my priest, MYT. Say hi.
Sup? And here I'm with my bro. I forgot his name.
Wow.
Sorry.
Pal Twins.
Pal Twins. Go check out his channel.
Yeah, I'll put the link in the channel in the description. And today we're playing Snowscape actually. So yeah, let's get started. So basically, I think this is a parkour game. So
What is that fire? It's what he said. Yeah, I like zooming in, so.
Oh my god, this is so.
Oh my gosh, I'm sorry, I'm back.
This is so freaking cool. There's no way.
Well, that dude did. Yeah, I used to usually be laggy. Okay, I'm zooming out. Fine.
Oh my gosh, I'm stuck.
I don't understand why they even added that. We're all gonna die. You guys are. I'm out. No! Come on, press it, please. Thank you. Oh, sucks to be you guys. I'm out. No. Woo! Nice.
Wow.
That's so cool. Oh, sorry. Okay, I'm back. What? Well, I'm waiting for them. Tell them to open the button. You want to talk. Let me wait for the boxes. No. Woo! GG. So that took forever. Forever. Okay, I think zooming in is way better. Even if it looks really crappy. Come on, mate. Can't see crap, mate. Crap. Yeah. I mean, it looks really cool to me. Just jump up there! See? Oh no, I'm out. Okay, they got this. Oh my gosh, I hate them. They look too shiny. I suck. You guys check out his channel, he's way better than me. Nah. That's a lie, but... No, you're not. I'm the best at Undertale. Alright, next game. Bet. See, you're back. Yeah. Uh-huh. At least I don't fall like a scrub. Okay, I got this. You trained your whole entire year. Well, well, well. Looks like the only one that survived. Oh, wait, there's 2 people. It's actually really perfect. Dun, 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 dun. No, that's because you're bad. Oh. Okay, I'm bad.
Oh wait, what? I'm pretty sure they're gonna get bored. Let me just put it in.
Okay, I'm a man.
I put in the comments who you think is better.
I don't know who they're gonna say. Me.
Oh, hopefully me.
Woo! Cause mine looks so cool.
Hey guys,
Yeah,
make sure you like and subscribe.
Yep.
And turn on post notifications so you don't miss any new videos. We're actually gonna be making another video right after this one because there is so many games that we want to try.
And show you guys.
And I hope you enjoy them.
Whoa.
Okay.
Okay.
I think you have to go up like a little bit and then re-jump. Okay, nice. Tell me how much you. Why are they so hard?
Yeah. See, I'm a beast. Yes. First one in as well. I am awesome. You're bad.
You suck, right?
You're bad.
Throw tomatoes at him.
Yeah, this map is like total ease.
Well, I pressed the button again. Ooh,
That's really cool
I
how
like
they-
that sound.
It's really cool how they did this.
I think this map is so cool. Why is everybody jumping right here?
Yeah.
Oh snap! I found the glitch.
It's not a glitch, it's just a way.
Did you follow somebody else to do that?
No, I was the first one to actually climb up there.
How'd you know?
I remember playing Flood Escape. I remember playing Flood Escape. Nope.
Oh
Crap.
Wait, where am I even going?
No. I don't want to drown. I know you're not talking. I'm gonna be in there before you. Yeah. 2 seconds, let's go. Yeah, I'm not doing that. Yeah, sure, so funny. Look at your body. Your body, the same body as mine.
But you look fatter than me.
No, I don't. I'm the cool one. I'm the cool one,
Maybe
bro.
not.
I
Because you
am.
got glasses on doesn't mean you're cool.
And I got a hoodie. 2 times the XP, boy, with the hood.
I thought I could make that jump.
We're gonna die.
Somebody else has to press it again.
This what always happens.
Come on, Pete. I'm not dying. I got the button over here.
Oh crap! Right, people gotta press that button.
Oh, that's good.
How is it that hard to just press one button?
Okay, I got it.
Oh. Go! No! Ah!
Okay, let's play one more round.
Okay.
That's how you got left out. What did you get?
Okay, I guess we're just gonna watch the scrub. Okay. Yeah, I think I said it right. Scrub. Okay, I'm gonna zoom in on you. Okay, that's pretty cool. I can see when I'm like moving. Like,
okay. That guy fell. He's dead. Okay. Hopefully I'm not here. Keep going. No!
oh,
Wait, I survived.
Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully you like, subscribe, and comment down below. Have a good day.